Poppy says, yes, agree, and sometimes he yelled at me because I made him anxious. Maybe that time I have higher energy than him. Yeah, yeah. That's not something to be proud of. That's not like I was stronger than him with my anxiety. I beat him. Like, who benefits from that? So don't be proud of yourself that you were stronger than him with your anxiety. Sometimes he's avoiding me. Yeah. Yeah, respect boundaries. Respect his boundaries. Like when two people come into the vicinity, there always has to be a harmonization. There always has to be a little bit of, you know, you gotta pay your entry fee into a conversation, into a group. Anytime two people meet, the energies come together and they need to balance. They need to find a common denominator. And in that sense, you have to give up a little bit of yourself, your energy, and the other person, or your energy completely needs to adapt to the other person, or the other person completely needs to adapt to you. And that depends on your ego, on the other person's ego, and which energy is better, which energy is healthier. So he might have healthier energy, and you might have a bigger ego than him. So he's actually in a better place energetically, but you want to lead. My energy is going to be stronger, but then you're both anxious, and you're both... So it takes... yeah. Sometimes I got to be anxious due to work. I can't avoid that. You can quit. You can avoid that. You can definitely avoid that. You can quit. Yeah, I'm being a little bit more bitey today than usual. But you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything.